Hey everyone, today we are going to be graphing an inequality using the intercept method. So we're going to start off with a little example problem, and in this case we are going to use 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. And we're going to do this in 3 steps. Step 1. In step 1, we are going to find the x-intercept of this line. To get the x-intercept, we have to set y equal to 0 and then solve for x. So we get 2x plus 3 times 0. And when we're solving for an x and a y-intercept, you can actually use an equal sign instead of the inequality because we want to find an exact value here. We end up with 2x equals 12, divide by 2, and we get that our x-intercept equals 6. Step 1 complete. Step 2. For step 2, we are going to solve the y-intercept. That's why it's called the intercept method. Step 2, we get the y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0. So now we have 2 times 0 plus 3y. Again, equal sign when you're getting these two intercepts. We're left with 3y equals 12, divide by 3, y equals 4. Marvelous. Now I'm going to scroll down here, so if you want to take a moment and look at this or pause, that's great, but I'm going to scroll down and finish the graph now. So we're going to just move this down a little bit. Marvelous. Step 3 is we need to decide direction of shading. Direction of shading. And to do this, both x and y will equal 0. So we fill this in and we get 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 is less than or equal to 12. And this is either going to be true or it's going to be false. If it is true, we shade towards the origin, the 0, 0. If it is false, we shade away. 0 less than or equal to 12. This is true. So now let's bring it all together. We're going to take our x-intercept, which was 6, and we're going to put a little dot on our graph at x equals 6. And then we're going to take our y-intercept, which was 4, and we're going to put a dot on the y-axis at 4. To finish this off, we're going to connect these. Sound effects optional, but definitely fun. And I like putting little arrows on the end of my lines. We need to decide which way we're going to shade. Because our inequality worked out to be true when we filled in 0 for both x and y, it means we need to shade on the side that points towards 0, 0. In this case, we're shading on this side right here. And that's all there is to graphing an inequality using the intercept method.